Okay. Now I am going to discuss about AI 900 and 102. Okay, so these two papers we will present it. That is the only one paper. AI 900 already been included in AI 102. Now have a look. Navigate to my syllabus. Yeah, so this is the 102.
And Shekhar, where from where we can get these recordings that has been recorded now post class?
They will share with you. Okay, every day you will they will make it one Google Drive link. From there you can access it.
Okay.
So maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, they will create it. On daily basis, they will upload the videos on top of the one Google Drive link, where you can download it.
And I forgot, I missed the starting session yesterday. So, how long this class is for duration?
This is 60 days is required. You'll complete it. 2 months.
And are we having the class even in the weekends or only in the weekdays?
It is in at this moment consider Monday to Friday. If possible, I will take the Saturday as well. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the 102. So here we can see object of AI services. Okay, this is the first module. In Azure AI services, we have vision, speech, language, decision services, Azure OpenAI. See here, previously we used to call it as Azure Cognitive Services. Okay, now we are calling it as Azure AI Services. What is that? Azure AI Services and Azure Cognitive Services. Okay, now see Azure Cognitive Services versus Machine Learning. Okay, what is the difference between these two? We will discuss it in module. Now, Azure AI workload in the sense NLP capabilities. Do you know what is the NLP? Natural language processing. What does it mean? In iPhone 17, they have implemented this feature. iPhone 17. For example, see, I know only Telugu. So you know Marathi. Okay, so both are iPhones. You are speaking in Marathi. I can listen like a Telugu itself. I can speak my local language. You can listen your own Marathi language. Are you getting that feature they have implemented? Got
How
it,
is
right?
that helpful? Uh,
So there is no language distractions, right? You know only Marathi. I know only Telugu. I don't know how to speak in English. You don't know how to speak in English. What will happen? So they have implemented only iPhone users. I can speak, hi Krishna, how are you? It will be converted into Malayalam, Marathi language. You can listen your local language. So if you say I am doing fine, that will be converted to Telugu. I can listen in my local language. So NLP means natural language processing. The customer, whatever the language, whatever their local language, they can perform the activities in their local language is called NLP. They have provided this compatibility. Got it? That's why nowadays all the movies, Okay, assume that there is a hit movie in Hindi. Okay, now you can change it the language title Telugu. Then automatically same movie I can listen it in Telugu. I can watch it in Telugu. Am I right? If you consider like 3 to 4 years back, there is a dubbed movie. One movie is a high hit in Hindi. Same movie they are converted into Telugu, and they this is done by another popular what is that actor in Telugu. Am I right? That is what it was happening. Nowadays, those days are gone. So one movie hit in English as well. Same movie I can convert it into Telugu. Then we can watch it in my local language. Okay, Netflix also they have implemented same feature, guys. Got it? Netflix nowadays, there is a lot of movies are there in Netflix. You can go and watch it. So whatever the movie you like it in Hindi, which I don't know how to understand Hindi, so just you can go and change the language into Telugu. Same, it will be converted into Telugu. You can watch it. That is what NLP capabilities. NLP capabilities in the sense we can say you can talk your own languages. The response also would be in same language. Is called NLP. So if I go for ChatGPT, I will show you example. Okay, give me answers in Telugu. That's it. I given the prompt. Okay, see immediately it is asking in my Telugu language only. Okay, who is the CM for AP? So even though information it is in Telugu, immediately it is giving what? So AP CM is something I don't know. Am I right, guys? Okay, now what I will do now, open another chart. Okay, how are you? It is giving. Okay, who is the PM for AP? Anyhow, the question itself it is wrong. It is giving what? Telugu, Hindi language itself. Okay, guys. So these we can call it as NLP, natural language processing. Okay, how we can implement NLP in our workload in all projects. Nowadays, the application, AI application must and should understand all local languages. Here, Microsoft supporting 100 plus languages for entire globe. Okay, for entire globe. Okay, yeah, next. Now, here we will discuss about set up a environment, Azure CLI, resource group, how we can create the cognitive services. Formerly used to call it as Azure Cognitive Services, guys. Now they have changed it to Azure AI Services. What is that? Azure AI Services. Okay, all these services they have integrated with Azure AI Foundry. All the services they have integrated like Azure AI Foundry. Okay, next we should follow ethics of AI. What is the ethics of AI, guys? Can anyone tell me? For example, if I type, I want to kill animals, I want to kill, what is that? Some tiger, or I want to kill some lion. If you ask such kind of question, it should not provide. Why? Because this is the violence. So AI application should not encourage the AI. Okay, so even if you go for ChatGPT, Copilot and all, it will block the content, guys. One is violated related content. Other one is I can say hurting. Okay, third one is self-harm. Self-harm means your word should not what is that, impact on other users. Other fourth one is sexual related information. You should not search any sexual harassment related information. These four types of content is blocked. So if you are trying to create anything, you should follow some ethics of AI. That we can call it as responsibilities of AI. Okay, what are the responsibilities of AI? I will tell you. One is bias. Okay, second one is inclusiveness. Okay, fourth one is privacy and security. Okay, fifth one is safety. Okay, sixth one is accountability. Okay, so it is everyone accountability. You should not pass any unparliamentary language questions. You should not ask any other suggestible information under bias in the sense. For example, if I go and type what is the Azure, I am the normal guy, you should give same response. Okay, tomorrow there is a CMR PM, go on type it what is the Azure, you should not change the answer, it should be same for everyone. That is what bias. Okay, best in another example, there is a loan approval. Assume that I have purchased one home. Okay, so because of my beauty, bank manager should not deny the what? My loan approval. Tomorrow, one beautiful girl visit the bank manager office, and by looking at his beauty, that bank manager should not approve the loan. So what does that mean? He has to approve the loan based on all the documents, locations, correct, whether he is eligible or not. Based on all these policies, they should provide the loan. That is what responsibilities of AI. Okay, so how we can implement responsibilities of AI? What are the challenges are there that we will discuss over here? Okay, next, role-based access control. See, there are n number of services, right? I am the agent developer. You are the Gen AI developer. Okay, other person agentic AI developer. Based on your request and responsibility, you should provide the response. Okay, you should provide the manage the IAM, identity and access management. Okay, next. And this is about what sentiment analysis. Okay, so this is using most of the real estate companies and retail companies and all. Sentiment analysis means, for example, you have purchased one Dell laptop. Okay, we are providing the what is that comments, I can say feedbacks, right? So what they will do, no, they will categorize the feedback, negative feedbacks, positive feedbacks. What is the negative feedbacks? Most of the feedbacks we can say delivery is not good. Okay, the salesperson is not good, delivery person is not good, product is not good, like that they will explain about. Customer actually organization, they won't expect such kind of response. So this is the Dell laptop. I have used it 10 days, but these are the defects. If we implement in next version, that would be good. They will consider such kind of suggestions, guys. Okay, so how we can analyze about sentiment analysis of customers and all, that all we can see in this model. So this is what language services. Okay, language services means, you know, right? Data can be searched with public documentation. Same data can be searched internal documentation. So assume that you are working in TCS. When you search some query, the request should go and search internal TCS documentation, not external documentation. If you give external documentation and all, you should access with high secure, or else there would be a chance of what misses and all. Okay, yeah, next. So this is about what computer vision. So what is the computer vision, guys, widely using in the market? Going forward, each and every retail industry, you know, right? Reliance Mart, D-Mart, and all, they will implement. What is the advantage of the computer vision is, now they have implemented computer vision functionality in automobile industry as well. You know Mahindra SU 700, right? SU 700 vehicle. So they implemented this computer vision functionality. What happened? Assume that you are driving a car with 140 speed on ring road or highways. Assume that there is a one object happen. Assume that one animal is crossing the road. Okay, so what computer vision do now, it will identify that object, it will get analysis, whether it is animal, whether it is tree, whether it is human, they are crossing the road. It will analyze, giving the instruction the sensor automatically. Your speed whatever it is running for 140 to, it will reduce automatically 20 to 30, guys. Automatically it will happen, you need not do anything. So what does that mean? It is analyzing about object, it is taking the image and directly analyzing, automatically it is sent to sensor to speed controller. Speed controller will reduce the speed up to 30 to 40. It is there, guys. Whoever using SVU 700 Mahindra, you can check with your friends, colleague, relatives. We have this feature, that is the computer vision. Okay, apart from that, see where exactly we will use it is, you know, right, in all Hyderabad, Bangalore and the Pune cities, they are implementing CC cameras. Assume that there is a some theft happened. One thief, they have stolen something, and he is running away. So when we upload the police department, when they uploaded the image, so these CC cameras watch entire city, right? Wherever the CC cameras identify that person, whether the person is riding by bike, whether they are driving a car, or they are going by some other vehicles and all, it will scan it, immediately send the report to police department. Then they can easily caught it, which location he is in, he can caught him, and they can send it to some jail or court, submit it to court and all. Clear? So where exactly we will use computer vision? Computer vision, it contain like n number of features. I can say image analysis. Okay, I can say optical character recognition and face detection. Face detection is the feature we can implement here. Okay, so this computer vision in TTD, Tirumala, right? They have implemented just 2 years back. In between, they have stopped. So where exactly we can use now? Assume that you have booked a ticket, TTD ticket for Darshan. Okay, assume that 300 rupees. You might have provided the, what is that, Aadhaar card. Am I right? When you go for live, so when they take the image, so Aadhaar card details and whatever live detection is there, both should be matched. Then you are allowed to Darshan, or else they will reject it. Okay, you know, right? For example, I have booked a ticket. I am unable to travel. Then what I will do? I will give this ticket to some other my friends and all. They can go and visit. Okay, that is what happened. Now they have implemented such kind of feature. In between, they have stopped. Now they have disabled that feature, guys. Where exactly we will implement computer vision. Okay, yeah. Next. So this is about what? Optical character recognition. Okay, these are the different services we will explain about it. See, this is the face API, custom vision, how we can do that now. Okay, speech services. Do you know what is the speech services? You know, right? Bill Gates, they given the one statement. I really wonderful. So next coming 10 years, there is no trainer, there is no doctor required, guys. Okay, these two are high payable sector. Education and health, these two sector is high payable. You know, right? Microsoft already developed one health related agent. It will give you 90% accuracy, meditation, treatment details and all, guys. Okay, so as I said, no trainer also required. No trainer also required in the sense why I'm telling this statement is it is converting text to speech. What is that? Text to speech. See, if I coming to your classroom and explain about what is the speech services, maybe you will not agree my statement. Maybe because of my beauty, because of my words, how I am articulating and all, because of accent and all. If I display one beautiful girl, if I explain same statement, will you accept or not? Yes, you will accept. Carefully listen as well. Same way, whatever the statement you would like to articulate it, give the text format and it will give the author, it will explain about it. So I have generated one video. I will show you. Really, it is wonderful. I given the text, avatar came into the picture and explained the same content. Let's see. Okay, this is the video. So I asked the question.
Azure AI Foundry is Microsoft's unified platform.
Yeah, I feed the data. What is the AI Foundry? Okay, AI Foundry, it is a unified platform to develop, build, deploy any type of AI models, guys. Let's see. So I generated AI generated video. Now forget about it. Let me play it. See.
Foundry is Microsoft's unified platform.
Sorry.
Azure AI Foundry is Microsoft's unified platform to build, customize, and manage AI solutions in one place. It brings together powerful services like Azure OpenAI, Azure Machine Learning, and Cognitive Services, helping developers and organizations create generative AI apps, copilots, and chatbots with enterprise-grade security and governance. With Azure AI Foundry, you can easily explore models, design prompts, connect your data, evaluate performance, and deploy AI solutions faster. Simply put, Azure AI Foundry is your one-stop destination to turn ideas into intelligent, secure, and scalable AI experiences.
Okay. Do you feel it is the AI generated video? No, right? Certainly one goal is coming and explain about content. Okay, so based on that, I am confirming that going forward, education would be like a digital avatar. Okay, yeah. So what does it mean? I feed the data, then the avatar is explaining same content. Clear? That is what speech to text. See, I mentioned only one beautiful girl. So I can mention any person. That is what custom speech trainer should be required. So when you purchase and train it, I can upload any image. Even I can upload my image with a beautiful articulating image and all. So I will explain same content. Got it? So this is about what? Speech services, how we can implement part of Azure Cognitive Services. Okay, yeah, next, same thing here, we can see this is the bot. Okay, how we can implement the bot? What is the bot, guys? Can I say ChatGPT, Copilot, can I call them as a bot? Bot, BOT bot.
I don't think so. Bot is something which could continuously, when you give a set of instruction, it continuously do the perform the
No,
operation.
so ChatGPT and all bot itself, they are bots. Now I will show you. See, you can generate the bot. If I go for hdfcbank.com, they have implemented the bot.
It's a bot or chat box.
Yeah, chatbot, bot are same technical words. See, this is the bot, Ava. Okay, now when I click on it, it is opening the bot. See, they are supporting two languages, Hindi. Why? Because majorly in India, two languages they are spoken, right? Hindi and English. Okay, so if I type, what is the Azure? Will it should accept? No, right? Why? Because this is the banking chatbot. I am talking about technical. You should not provide the response. It say I am not sure. Answer for your query. If I ask credit card, okay, credit card. I am not doing anything. Just credit card. It is the banking related technical term. Then how to apply the credit card and all, it will give the information. This is the agents we can say. Okay, a great credit card can be taken and you can provide the applied. So I don't know English. You can change to Hindi. Automatically it will change. Okay, hit enter. Credit card. I can say debit card. Even though I enter English, the answer should be Hindi only. See, let's see. Okay, clear, guys. So this is NLP capabilities they have implemented on bot services. Okay, so that is what how we can implement what is that bot services. Got it? Okay, yeah, next. So this is the OpenAI. What is the OpenAI, guys? Can anyone tell me? OpenAI.
OpenAI is the APIs which developed by the ChatGPT.
Yeah, so OpenAI is a artificial intelligence developer company. Okay, they have deliver beautiful GPT models. Okay, GPT 3 series, 4 series, 5 series. Also to generate the image, they have implemented Dolly. To generate the videos, they have implemented Sora. To generate the code, they have implemented Codex. What is that? Codex. Okay, so using these models, we can develop our own AI application. Okay, sorry, there is a strong collaboration. Okay, there is a strong collaboration. Microsoft and OpenAI, both together, whatever the models they are developing, directly they are integrating with Azure AI Foundry, you can consume it. Okay, if OpenAI models can be consumed through Microsoft Azure, or else directly you have to consume it, guys. Okay, you may have question that can we consume OpenAI models directly using Google Cloud?
There is no.
No, you cannot. So separately you have to purchase the license from OpenAI, and the editors you can use it. I can go for Google, create one VM, create one PaaS services. I can consume it and implement it. That will happen. Directly provisioning these models with Google Cloud and all, we cannot. Okay, yeah, next. So this is the AI 102 syllabus. Okay, this is about what we will cover total. AI 900 is part of AI 102. Now, how to subscribe for Azure free trial?
Why
See,
900 would be, we have to write separately for this, or we have, it's a part of 102. If you write 102,
yeah,
then
first, it is the new technology, right? My suggestion, go ahead and use. First, write the AI 900, go for AI 102. You can write it out. There is no blockage, but sequence you can. So AI 900, their city is 3,000 rupees only, guys. Easily you can crack it. Okay, yeah, next. How to subscribe for Azure free trial. See, subscribing for Azure free trial, it is not a big challenge. Okay, subscribing for Azure, it is not a big challenge. You have to follow only 4 steps. Let me write it down. Okay, one is you have to pass your info, your first name, last name, address details. Okay, second thing is enter the mobile number. The second thing is enter the mobile number. Once you enter the mobile number, you will get 6-digit OTP. Okay, yeah. So third thing is you have to enter the credit card details. This is mandatory. Credit or debit card details. Okay, all debit cards are not accepting, guys. I have verified Citibank, it is supporting, and ICICI, Kotak Mahindra. These 3 debit cards are accepting. Others are, you can test it out. Okay, yeah. So once you enter the credit or debit card details, you will be debited 2 rupees for India people. Okay, that amount will be credited back to your account within 1 working hour, guys. Max, I am telling, max within 10 minutes, that amount will be credited back to account. So why they are debiting 2 rupees in the sense just to verify whether you are genuine user or not. That's it. Okay, yeah, next. Fourth one is agree terms and conditions. Okay, once you have entered the credit or debit card details, it will ask 2 rupees amount would be debited. Immediately it will credit back to your account. Immediately it will credit back to your account. So once it is done, you will get 17,500 free credits. We can call them as free credits. Okay, these free credits we can consume it for, what is that, 30 days only, guys. 30 days. We can't do anything. Nowadays, everything is the commercial. We should agree. After 30 days, you have to create another new account. Or else you can go for pay as you go model. Okay, monthly you will get based on usage, maybe you will get 3 to 4, 5,000 and all max. Okay, yeah. So once it is done, you have to agree terms and conditions. Agree terms and conditions. Okay, you will get 17,500 till 18,000 you will get it, guys. Depends on card, depends on location, and 18,000 you can consume it. Okay, whether you use it or not, 31st day your account will be deactivated. Okay, so you may have query that will they debit anything and all later. No, even they won't charge even single paise. It is totally free for 30 days, guys. Okay, great. This is about what? How to subscribe for Azure free trial. To subscribe for Azure free trial, go to azure.microsoft.com official site. Okay, yeah. Now here we have Azure free. What is that? Here you can see get started with Azure. Now click on it. Okay, so here build the cloud with an Azure account. Build and cloud with Azure account. Okay, yeah. Next here, see get started creating, deploying, managing application and access multiple cloud and all. Now try with Azure. Before that, they have provided 2 options. See Azure free account and pay as you go model. Once free account is over, you can migrate it into pay as you go model. Okay, see available for only new users. Okay, available for what? Free users, new customers. You can use it for what? US people, they will get $200 for 30 days. Indian people around 17.5 to 18,000 you'll get it, guys. Okay, so once it is done, move pay as you go model to continue beyond 30 days after your credit is used up. Okay, so go for pay as you go model one. Now it is not a rocket science. Directly you can click on Azure for free. Okay, paste it. So you may have query that one credit card can be consumed. Okay, one credit card can be I have one credit card can be used for multiple times. No, guys. See your email address, your mobile number, your credit card. If any parameter is matched, you cannot create another account. So if you would like to create another new account, your email ID should be different, mobile number should be different, credit card or debit card should be different. If one of them is matched, cannot create the account, you will get the error message that you are not eligible to create new account and all, guys. Got it? Okay, yeah, great. Next, now, so here you can enter your email address and all. I am going to enter, use it. Nowadays it is asking the code, guys, security concern. Uh, okay, from here you have to pass your information and all. Update notice. Please get. Okay, Microsoft, they have introduced one feature in Microsoft Teams. Do you know that? In Microsoft Teams. If you are working from office, no, it will give you office details. In Microsoft Teams, you are connected to office network, connected to Hyderabad office, Gachibowli office, like that it will give. Okay, you are staying in your Pune, your work from home. You are connecting to Wi-Fi, right? So these Wi-Fi details accessed by Teams. You are connected from Pune, and this is the location. That details will be appear, guys. That is the feature they are introducing. This will be available from this December 1st. So you should not escape it. Like what is that? You are working from somewhere. Your working location details also it will be tracked. Okay, officially they have launched by December, another 30 days. Officially they are pushing for all companies. Okay, yeah, see, look like you are already have an account, we cannot create it. Directly it is saying that. You will get this is the feature. If people try it out, it's not a rocket science. One by one, how we people are creating the Gmail account and all, it is there, guys. Okay, so once you have created the account, access the portal. This is the portal, portal.azure.com. What is that? Portal.azure.com. Hit enter. So mine is license. I can deploy any type of services, guys. Need not worry. I can do anything. Okay, yeah, next. So this is the Azure portal. Okay, now have a look. When I click on all services, okay, this we can call it as blade. Technically, we can call it as, note it down, blade. BLAD blade, or left side menu. Left side menu. Or pane, we can call it as pane. Okay, so technically term frequently we will use in the market is blade, guys. That is the official term. Okay, next. This is Cloud Shell. Cloud Shell means you can write PowerShell, Terraform, and you can write AZD, shell scripting, ARM template, everything you can write it on automated. So this is the bell symbol. We can call it as a bell symbol. Here it will display your services deployment progress. Deployment progress means I have created app services, whether it is creating or created or it has an any issue that it will display here. Okay, yeah, next this is the settings. Like you can change the settings and all. For example, my entire portal is displaying in English. Okay, but assume that I like only China. I know only China. Can I change this portal into China? Yes, there is a language and region. Okay, click on settings. What is that? Click on settings. Click on language and region. So by default here it is showing what is that? English. Now go on apply Chinese. This is the Chinese language applied. So now entire portal would be converted into Chinese language. See, this is the portal Chinese language. Okay, now go to here again, change it back to English. You can apply it. Okay, apply. Okay, yeah, next this is my account settings and all we can use. This is the appearance. See, this is the blue and white combination. If you would like to apply dark color, you can apply. Total portal is displaying in dark color. Okay, yeah, next this is the overview. First thing is there is a all services. Have you observed when I click on all services? See, Microsoft provided end-to-end all services, guys. Okay, if you observe, first thing is AIML, analytic services, compute, container, database, DevOps. Okay, general hybrid identity integration, Internet of Things, and the managed and governance, migration, mixed reality, monitoring, networking, security, safety, storage, web and mobile. Every service, A to Z services they have provided. Which one would you like to consume it? You can do that. Okay, so anyhow, we are concentration about only this is the option AIML. So when I click on go up, when I click on AIML, okay, so this is the AIML. So what is there? Azure Machine Learning, first option, anomaly detector, a content moderator, APIs, and a personalizer, and intelligence recommendation, AI search bot, custom, immersive reader, and speech services, and Azure Synapse analysis, video indexer, computer vision. See, document intelligence, language, OpenAI, and translator. So this is about what? Total AI and ML story. Now you people tell me, guys, what is the AI? Silly question, right?
AI is a program which could done the activities with the activities like human activities involve like human intelligence.
Yes.
Um,
Yeah, simply we can say whatever humans are doing, AI will do that. Do you agree? Yeah, simply we can say that is the official definition. What is the definition? It is simulation of human intelligence. Is called artificial intelligence. I am repeating. It is the simulation of human intelligence. Is called artificial intelligence. Okay. Very simple thing. It enables the machines think, learn, act like a human is called AI. I said right. If you want to give the definition of AI, just remember Robo movie. That is the popular movie. I think 7 years, 9 years back itself it came. Okay, what is that? Robo is the mission. Mission enables think, learn, act like a human is called artificial intelligence. Okay, in Robo movie, based on Rajnikant voice commands, Robo will act as like Robo will cook the food, Robo will drive the car, Robo will do the surgeries in hospital, and Robo will talk to humans like a Robo will talk to humans exact like a human behavior. And the Robo movie, watch it if you are not watching. Then try to learn Azure. That is what. Sorry, try to learn AI, guys. Okay, you can clear idea about it. Okay, yeah. Now, see here, Microsoft, as I said, tightly integrated with what is that? OpenAI models. Tightly integrated with what? OpenAI models. I can go ahead and deploy one OpenAI. Let's see. Just go to here. OpenAI, type it. See, this is the Azure OpenAI. This is the separate services Microsoft has provided directly. Directly, you can create OpenAI and consume it, these OpenAI models directly integrated with our cloud computing. Directly integrated with cloud computing in the sense you can integrate it with virtual machine, you can integrate it with app services, you can consume it and integrate it with our M365 ecosystems. Okay, ecosystem.
So
Now,
this is called AI Studio also, correct? AI Foundry is nothing but AI Studio, correct?
yeah, exactly. Very good. Previously used to call it as AI Studio. Now they have rebranded to Azure AI Foundry. Got it? AI Studio, they renamed it to Azure AI Foundry. You know, right? Active Directory, you might have here, right? Active Directory. In Azure, they rebranded to Microsoft Entra ID. Do you know that? What is that? Entra ID. So they have changing the name. That is quite common. Now, officially, we are calling it as Microsoft Entra ID, Active Directory. Okay. Yeah. Now, here you can create AI Foundry. Okay, so I will show you how to provision the services. Real-time demo, I will present it tomorrow. Okay, now create, see, OpenAI, Azure OpenAI. I will let you know, guys. I want to show you how AI it will work in Azure. That's it. Okay, now, resource group. What is the resource group?
Logical grouping of resources.
Yeah,
Collection
yeah.
of resources. Okay, I will give you. What is the subscription? Just now we discussed it. What is the subscription? I can say collection of resource groups. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. Now you tell me what is the subscription. People are asking about, hey, do you have Netflix subscription? Do you have Amazon Prime subscription? You should to call it out, right? So what is that, guys?
Permit to access.
Can I say it's a license?
Yeah, access permission.
Yeah. Subscription, it is like a license. Got it. So license in the sense yearly, monthly, you have to pay the amount. Am I right? If it is Netflix, monthly 200, yearly 3000 under. Got it. So that also we have gold, silver, prime under. Am I right? If you want to watch 4K video, then you have to pay around 5000 for Netflix. Normal 750, 790 pixels, monthly 200 dollar. Same way here, based on the services, based on the subscription, you can consume it, guys. Okay, here resource group is a container. Resource group is a container means, for example, see, I have visited DMart. When I go for DMart, I will take the one basket. Am I right? In the basket, I will keep it sugar, jaggery, okay, other grocery items and all. I can say paste, brush, soaps, okay, everything. Am I right? So when I carry, what is that? That basket into cash counter, they will billable all the items. Am I right, guys? So finally, they will give the count like 15,000 or 16,000 you have to pay. Same way, the resource group is a container which hold the resources for all Azure project solution. For example, under this resource group, you created virtual machine, you created Azure AI, you created ML, you created other services. At end of the month, you will get total bill like $15,000, $16,000 under. Clear? Okay, that is what resource group. Now here I am creating resource group rg-openai. I am giving rg-openai. Okay, so this is the region. Region is what? East to west. Okay, what is the service name? I am giving my AZ. AZ means Azure. Okay, Open AI is the service name 1999. The name should be unique in the globe. Okay, if I give my OpenAI, the yeah, it is taking my OpenAI. See, it is giving what? The name is not available. For the entire globe in Azure, the name should be unique. I am giving my AZ Azure OpenAI 0199. It should take, yeah. Now pricing type, this is the standard. Okay, click on next. Networking. See, any service in the world, we can deploy two networks. What are they? One is public, other one is what? Private. So Azure will support, you can deploy your services with public cloud or private cloud. Already you know that. Okay, yeah, now it should be accessed in all the networks. I am deploying it as a public cloud, public network. Okay, yeah, now click on next. uh, Tags. What are the tags, guys? It is a labeling. Labeling in the sense, assume that you have purchased one laptop. Okay, in the box it contain one label. The label which contain brand, configuration, price, manufacturing date, location, all the details it contain. What does that mean? By look at label itself, we will come to know what is about that product. Same way, here I am giving like project. What is this project? I can say PwC is the client. Okay, environment. What is that environment? Environment is what? Production. Okay, so who is the client? Client is what? Mike. Okay, which technology you are using? I am using Azure AI ML. Okay, yeah, so that client is PwC, client is Mike, project is PwC, environment production, technology that we are using what? Azure AI ML. Okay, now click on next, hit on review plus create it. Okay, click on hit on review plus create it. I'll come from scratch, guys. Just I want to show you like how AI ML. So these are nowadays very popular generic high technical words. Okay, like models, OpenAI, what is the generative AI, agentic AI, what is the lang chain, lang graph and all. These are high technical keywords that we are using in tech industry. Okay, so this is the OpenAI, right? I can consume it only OpenAI models. Okay, GPT-5, GPT-4, GPT-3 dot series, etc. Okay, now go to resource. Okay, see. Do you want try latest industry models? Yes, they are providing all industry model. Have you observed? If you see, these are the tags, guys. What are the tags? My client PwC, environment production, client my Azure AI ML. If you look at the stats, you can easily understand that, right? Okay, he is the client, he is the budget person allocating for this project and all, right? So here it is giving what? Resource group RG-OpenAI, status active, location east US. This is the subscription. This is the subscription ID. And this is OpenAI, pricing type standard, endpoint, these are. Okay, let it be. Now go to exploring AI portal. This is the AI portal for OpenAI, where you can deploy any type of models. Now, when I click on first thing, this is the overview. Okay, this is the overview. Okay, yeah, next. Now, when I click on model catalog, from OpenAI itself, they have provided what? How many models? 51 models are there, guys. 51 models. So this is the recently August 10th they have launched GPT Codex, GPT Nano, GPT-5 Chart, GPT-5 Mini, GPT-5 Chart. So these are how many models? Five models they have launched, guys. Okay, GPT-5 series. GPT-5 Chart, GPT-5 Mini, GPT-5 Nano, GPT-5 chart, GPT-5 codex. Codex especially to generate the code, guys, for developers only. Okay, which model would you like to use and deploy into
But
Azure app?
will it tell you which company, like, for example, we know GPT is from Chat GPT, but do you know, for example, if I want LL Llama,
Yeah,
can I check the
correct, correct,
Llama
correct, correct.
available?
Yes, it will tell you, guys. I will show you that one as well. So you know, right? There are beautiful vendors are there. They have provided popular vendors. Okay, one is Llama. LLAMA. Llama means large language meta AI. So they have provided n number of models. Meta company, Facebook, Instagram, what else? WhatsApp and all. So Microsoft AI, they came up with some models, and OpenAI, 51 models they have implemented. Same way Mistral. Okay, we have Nvidia. Nvidia also they have launched few models. Okay, Grok is Elon Musk. They have launched all these models are there. Okay, so I have created OpenAI. See, my highlighters. Am I right? My OpenAI models are displaying it. If I go and create the Gendic OpenAI, Gendic AI Foundry portal, where we can see all, as I said, 12,000 models. Okay.
So is
Yeah.
it possible to create generic AI instead of
Yeah,
Azure?
I will show you going forward. I don't want to make confusion one day. We will go and see. Okay. At this moment, you can go and provision the services. To provision the service and deploying and all, it will take another 1 hour. That we will complete it in next session. Okay.
And my question is, Sekhar Reddy, so
Yeah.
just think about that. Is that possible like 7 a.m.?
I will check, sir. Sure, I will check with them and mitigate it. Yeah,
Hi, Shekhar. How are you?
yeah, I am doing good. How about you?
Good, good. Shekhar, just want to know, do we need any kind of prerequisite for this course? Because I'm kind of a fresher, so I
Okay.
work in technology, but not kind of programming, those kind of tech.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, Mohammed. I will start the sessions from 0 to 100. You need not worry about it. But everyone must and should be landing into AI. Okay. So many people I know, you may have confusion that I am the non-technical background. I am BA, BCom and all. Yeah, I am eligible to learn and all. Everyone can learn and landing into AI, guys. That is mandatory as well.
so do we require any kind of programming knowledge?
Yeah, basics of Python required that I will take care about it in this course.
Okay.
Yeah, basic Python is required. I will explain about Python in this course. Yeah. Okay, AZ, I will consider your query. Very soon we will expedite it. Okay, if
Yeah,
possible,
please,
I will check
because
with management
I
team.
need
Then we will
to
check.
I
Yeah.
need to confirm and pay the amount also, correct, to access tomorrow class.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Morning 7 a.m. would be helpful for me.
Yeah. Okay. We will see. No worries.
For me too as well. 7 a.m. is the best time.
Okay. Sure.
The mind also be fresh. So
Yeah, got it, got it. I will consider your points. I will get back to you on this. No worries. Okay.
yeah, please.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't want to miss that. I don't want to wait for another club batch.
Okay, sure, sure, sure. Any more questions, Sanjay,
And you
Amini?
also providing the soft copies of material and everything, correct?
Yeah, correct. I will provide everything, guys. But I will provide the official documentation every day. There are a lot of changes, guys. Okay.
Guide us how to, because I've been in the industry for a longer time. So guide us how to become an architect in the AI. So just your inputs would also, as a mentor,
Yeah,
would
yeah,
have.
yeah. Yeah, I will guide you. Easy. Yeah, sure.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
Appreciate that.
yeah.
Look forward to seeing your, look forward to be part of your class. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Thanks
Consider
for
this.
your time. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to miss that. Please consider that.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Okay, thanks for your time. Tomorrow you'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day. Take care.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.